Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So today it's a slightly different video to what I usually do. This one is maths and art combined together. So a lot of people, when they do symmetry or the grid mirror image drawing, they find it difficult, and when you do see this it can be a little bit daunting, but fortunately I found these pretty easy to do when I did maths, mainly because I am arty and the rest of maths that I did I absolutely hated. Anyway, that's another story. So I'm going to show you some easy ways on how to do a symmetry mirror image drawing. So what you're going to need a pencil, you're going to need a pen if you want, a rubber if you make mistakes, and sometimes a ruler helps too. So we are going to start off by numbering the outside of the grid. So we're going to start putting a 0 there, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then you're going to do it onto the right side of the axis. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now this is completely optional, but it does help people. And then we're going to do it again. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6 is bang in the middle. And then again, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now you've done that, you are going to start the drawing. So the most obvious thing to start off on is the one that's closest to the axis line, because that is super easy, because you are literally copying this side. So sometimes people find it easier to have a look at the square opposite and figuring out where the two lines meet across the squares, and you can draw some guideline dots besides it. So that's what I'm going to do, and then I'm going to draw. So there's the head of the butterfly, like so, and then you're going to do the antenna. So again, it's right in the corner, like so, and then you're going to meet it there. Right, so far so good. Now you're going to start with the rest of the body. So that kind of meets there, and that's sort of one thing that can help you is a ruler, so you can measure where the ruler is. So that's about 0.5 millimeters. So again, you can use the ruler to mark it like so. And then again on the other side. Okay, easy bit's done, which is the body. So we're going to start on to the wings. So again, you can use a ruler, and that is about 1 centimetre from the wings. So I'm going to put that there and draw a guideline, and that is kind of, it's about 3 millimeters. So again, I can put about 3 millimeters there. Draw a dot, and that's the start of the wing. Now, to explain these bits, sometimes, especially when you get up to here, you can get confused with the squares. So what you could do is so that starts on square 1 and it's 7. So again, square 1, 7. So it just helps you to figure out where part of the wing is. Another thing I would say is when you are drawing, try not to look at the whole drawing, it can be quite daunting. Try and focus on just the squares and then building it up that way. If you just focus on one square and what's in that particular square, you won't have any trouble. Okay, so let's start with the wing. So the corner's kind of there, and you've got that there, and then that kind of ends there. So I've got the tip of my wing there, and then obviously in this square you've got the circle, so I'm going to just draw the circle in. So I hope what I've explained so far has made some sense, and I'm going to start, I might speed up the process a little bit while I draw the rest of the butterfly in. Okay, so now that I have penciled in my design, I'm now going to use my pen and I'm going to draw around the pencil markings, and then just to make it pretty, I'm going to colour it in. Ta-da! Okay, so that is the end of the very brief practice in symmetry lesson. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe if this is the first video you've watched, and I might do some more maths versus art and maths and art combination lessons in the future. Okay.